Ever wondered what's really happening inside the sun? This massive ball of glowing gases is not just a source of light and heat for our planet, but it's also a fascinating powerhouse of energy and activity. Let's dive deeper into the mysteries of the sun and uncover its secrets. Let's break it down in just 60 seconds. Well, maybe a bit more because there's so much to explore. The sun has 6 main layers, each playing a crucial role in its function and behavior. These layers are the core, the radiative zone, the convective zone, the photosphere, the chromosphere, and the corona. At the core, nuclear fusion happens. Hydrogen atoms smash together to form helium, releasing a massive amount of energy. This process is the heart of the sun's power, generating the energy that eventually reaches us as sunlight. This is what powers the sun. The energy produced in the core is so immense that it takes millions of years to travel from the core to the surface. Next, energy moves through the radiative zone, slowly. In this zone, energy is transferred by radiation, and it can take millions of years for energy to pass through this layer due to the dense material. It can take millions of years for energy to reach the surface. Imagine the journey of a photon, created in the core, bouncing around in the radiative zone for eons before it finally escapes. Then, in the convective zone, hot plasma rises and cools as it falls back down, creating massive currents. This movement of plasma is similar to boiling water, where hot material rises, cools, and then sinks again. The visible surface, called the photosphere, is where we see sunspots, cooler, darker areas caused by magnetic fields. These sunspots are fascinating because they can affect solar activity and even influence space weather. But that's not all. The sun's surface often releases solar flares, huge bursts of energy. These flares can release as much energy as billions of atomic bombs and can have significant effects on our planet, including disrupting communications and power grids. Above that is the corona, the sun's outer atmosphere. The corona is a mysterious and incredibly hot layer, reaching temperatures of millions of degrees, much hotter than the surface of the sun itself. It's millions of degrees hotter than the surface and sends out the solar wind, streams of charged particles that affect us here on Earth. These solar winds can interact with our planet's magnetic field, causing beautiful auroras and sometimes even geomagnetic storms. Those solar winds can even cause auroras, the beautiful lights you see near the poles. These stunning displays of light are caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with Earth's atmosphere, creating a natural light show. The sun, a giant ball of plasma, fueling life and shaping our world. Its energy drives our climate, weather, and even the cycles of life on Earth. And all of this happening 93 million miles away. Despite this vast distance, the sun's influence is felt in every aspect of our lives, from the warmth of a sunny day to the power of solar energy. Subscribe for more quick science facts. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our universe.